win with the Maccabees, won it against the Greeks, and continued when they found the one pure of jug of oil in the destroyed Beit HaMikdash. The miracle did not stop because the one jug of oil that was supposed to light for one last for 7.
The famous question on Hanukkah is, why do we celebrate for 8 days? If there was enough oil found for 1 day, then the miracle was that it lasted for 7 more, so why don't we celebrate for 7?
It was only after the Maccabees found the oil that they understood that all of Hanukkah was miraculous, including their victory in battle. Until then, they did not see their victory in battle as a miracle. When they found the jug and lasted for 8 days, they realized that everything that happened that was a true miracle, and that is why we celebrate for 8 days.
Chanukah Sameach.